once again saying this dude today, so I don't know, there's something wrong with my other brother's laptop, so CPU fan has loud noises. It's called the vibration because fan has been worn out, but well, they're just playing Roblox. So when I record with my other brother's laptop because there's something wrong with the fan. So please help us to fix the CPU fan, so the fan starts shaking after it's already loud. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.